Hi, welcome to Guy Construction. I'm Jeremy, Managing Director.
And I'm Sue, the Business Manager.
Sue and I started Guy Construction in 2012 because we really enjoy building beautiful homes for people. We specialise in renovations and extensions. I enjoy the work in solving any issues that arise along the way.
Our clients are generally people from the Bayside area of Melbourne, and they're after a home that's got more space, a home that's easier to live in and works better for their lifestyle. And they're looking for a professional builder who does high quality work.
Our clients tell us that building with us is a stress-free experience. They really appreciate how much time we spend understanding the job properly from the outset. This means they don't get any nasty surprises during the build.
They like that we are on site every day and that we do what we say we're going to do when we say we're going to do it. And they like that we finish on time and on budget.
Quality is really important to our clients. They say the quality of our trades is excellent and our craftsmanship is great. A bit of background about us. I'm from England and we moved to Melbourne in 2008. I'm a qualified carpenter and joiner. I've worked on many types of buildings with a broad experience in different construction methods and technologies from overseas. Before coming to Melbourne, I ran my own building company in London for more than 10 years, specialising in structural renovations and extensions. The expertise I have from my experience in England and the overseas, working with existing buildings, sets me apart from Australian builders when it comes to renovations and extensions.
I'm originally from New Zealand, and in my previous life I was a lawyer specialising in environmental law. While Jeremy's out running the construction side of things, I make sure that everything's working smoothly and that we're providing exceptional customer service.
When you work with us, I'm your main point of contact. I'm on site every day. We'll have regular on-site meetings and I'll assist you with your queries and building advice. I oversee every project we do, so you can rest assured knowing that you're in expert hands.
Our key focus is making the building experience as stress-free as possible for our clients. And we do that by ensuring our quotes are really comprehensive and transparent, and that we communicate really clearly and often.
We guarantee our completion dates, so you know when you can move back into your new home.
There's more information on how we do things and why our clients choose to build with us on our website.
Look out for our free guides to download. These are packed with useful and practical information to help you with the building process.
Thank you for visiting, and don't hesitate to get in touch if you'd like to discuss your project. Send us a message through our Contact Us page or give us a call.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.